2023 GV60 Genesis, 900 grams, YF refrigerant. Looks like they had to take the sticker off of one hood and put it on this hood. That's why you see void everywhere. Is that? Yeah, they did switch stickers. And 2023. I'm doing vacuum right now. As going through the procedures of checking this AC system. I'll let you read all this. We'll come back to that if I have time to do the compressor and the whole system circuit test and do AC compressor test, active test. Now check out all the different things you check for your air mix doors, all your blend doors and everything. Each one of these are an individual test. When you disconnect 12-volt batteries, or in some cars 16-volt batteries or high-volt battery, if it's been in an accident, it got smashed, or somebody jump started, sometimes it messes up the positions and they have to relearn, or you have to flash them and make them relearn. You have to actually put them through the motions so they know where the door is actually working at. These are all tests that you will be doing when one of these vehicles come into your shop. This is a heat pump. All this is heat pump stuff. All this is heat pump stuff. Coolant motor. All this is heat pump stuff. All that is heat pump stuff. 2 glycol heat exchangers and 1 little sub condenser right down here. That's it. That little tiny thing right here, that's just your sub condenser only. And as you see, I was running the expansion valves, the solenoids. I was opening the solenoids, opening the expansion valves. Dehumidify, that special expansion valve just for doing dehumidifying through another channel. So all my expansion valves are open, my solenoids are open. As you can see, I have it in vacuum and it's going down really fast. This is time, this is money, this is what you're doing on your heat pumps. And that's why you're charging like 2.3, 2.7 hours just on recharging. And then your test after your charge. And your recovery is completely separate. If it comes in and it has work, it's dead car from an accident, but you have to recover, there you go, another 0.7, 45 minutes, maybe an hour or more, just to do a recovery. If you're in a shop like this, it's not heated, it's early in the morning, it's only 39 degrees, the car's been sitting there, you got to recover that. That's going to take time, and you charge for time. So when you're doing your insurance claim and stuff like that, you are not charging the book time for a standard straight AC passenger vehicle only. These are heat pumps. Charge. All right, guys, we'll come back to this. And if I have time, I am running a little late. And I just lost my data logging. So whether I get a chance to do that or not and film it, I got to do it and I have to post it and it goes in my invoices. But that's why this is like a $1,000 recharge. Between the recovery and the recharge and the test, we're almost $1,000 right there.